MP Materials Corporation is a U.S. company leading the effort to restore the domestic rare earth supply chain. They are a fully integrated producer, meaning they handle every step, from mining to manufacturing finished products. Here's what MP Materials does. First, mining and processing. The company owns and operates the Mountain Pass mine in California, which is the only operating rare earth mine in the United States and one of the richest deposits globally. They extract the raw ore and process it to produce a high-purity rare earth concentrate. Second, separation and refining. At the Mountain Pass facility, they separate and refine the rare earth concentrate into high-purity compounds. Their primary focus is on Neodymium-Praseodymium, or NdPr, a critical material. Third, magnet manufacturing. This is a key part of their vertical integration. They have a new manufacturing facility in Fort Worth, Texas, where they produce the world's strongest permanent magnets. These magnets are essential components in a wide range of advanced technologies. The permanent magnets and rare earth materials produced by MP Materials are vital for critical sectors like electric vehicles, where they power traction motors; energy, where they are used in wind turbines; robotics and automation; and defense and aerospace for mission-critical systems. MP Materials' mission is to reduce America's reliance on foreign rare earth supply chains, which have historically been dominated by China. By being the only fully integrated domestic rare earth producer, they provide a secure, reliable, and ethically sourced supply chain. They have established a significant partnership with the U.S. Department of Defense to accelerate the development of a domestic magnet supply chain, solidifying their role as a national strategic asset.
Okay, let's go.